Have you ever wondered how thousands of ants find their way back to the colony? In a mesmerizing display of teamwork, ants engage in a cooperative journey that is nothing short of extraordinary. Scattered across the forest floor, they leave scent trails, signaling others to follow. As they navigate obstacles and share resources, these tiny navigators embody the power of collaboration. Each ant plays a crucial role. Some forage while others stand guard against intruders. This incredible bond not only ensures survival, but showcases the intelligence and adaptability of these small warriors. Witness the hidden world of ants as they synchronize their efforts in a breathtaking example of nature's wonders.